Hey love, so today's video I wanted to come to you and show you this new wig that I got from Msbuy.com. I was so amazed on how really nice this wig looks straight out of the box. This wig looks so natural. It already comes pre-plucked and everything. So if you guys are interested to see more about this wig, as well as my experience with it, then definitely keep watching this video. Okay, so the wig that I have is their 360 lace wig. It is in the length 20-inch. It is a straight texture. The wig already comes pre-plucked. Now, when I say pre-plucked, you guys, this is a very, very nice hairline that they did on this wig, from the front, the sides, and the back. It is gorgeous. I really did not have to go in and do anything to this wig. I didn't have to do too much plucking, which was very, very nice. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys exactly up close and personal on how their hairline looks on their wigs. It is very, very nice. I cannot stress this enough. This is like one of the best hairlines that I have ever seen, with the wig coming straight out of the box. The baby hairs are very nice as well. So like I said before, this is a 360 wig, and I love the parting space on this wig. It is ridiculous how good this parting space is. I know most of the 360 lace wigs, you get about 4-inch parting space, but this is like a true 4-inch parting space when it comes to the front of the wig as well as the sides of the wig. Because I have noticed that when some 360 lace wigs, you get not a full 4-inch parting space on the sides. For some reason they make the sides shorter, but in this case the hairline in the front, the parting space is the same from the sides, the front, everything. Now the back of this wig, very nice parting space as well. So also the hairline on the back of the wig is amazing as well. It looks so natural, you guys. I cannot believe how natural this wig looks straight out of the box. Like, the hairline is amazing. The way they pre-plucked the hairline is amazing. The baby hairs is amazing. The parting space is amazing. Now, even though the hairline is really good, the baby hairs and everything is really good, I still had to go in and just, you know, tweak it a little bit, put my little finesse on the wig, because that's just how I am when it comes to wigs. I do go in and pre-pluck some more, but I didn't have to do too much. Like, I just went in and kind of just, you know, made it look a little bit more natural for my exact hairline. And then I actually did cut the baby hairs just shorter and thin them out a little bit more, and that was about it. I did not bleach the knots on this wig. I did go in with the Sally Hansen airbrush spray, and then just sprayed that on the front, the sides, and the back of the wig, and that's exactly it. I didn't have to do anything at all, you guys. This is a very nice, ready to go wig if you are interested in a ready to go wig that you don't have to do a lot of customization to it. So what I'm doing now is basically installing the wig onto my head. I did use a little bit of the Got2b gel, not that much, to just lay down the ear tabs as well as the front of the hairline. Now, you guys, even though this wig is so nice, it was a little bit too small for my head. And I'm hoping you guys can kind of see it because the ear tabs do not fall exactly where my ear is. So I had to actually cut some more of the wig off. Also, there was a couple of issues with this wig. I did notice that the wig does not hold a curl very well. I did apply heat to the wig. I did apply a flat iron to kind of bump the ends because I wanted like a long layered look, and that was not happening. So then I went in with my curling wand and tried to get some loose curls in the wig, and it really didn't do too much. So I feel like if you guys are interested in curling this wig, I advise you to use some holding spray to make sure that those curls will last, because from my experience, the curls were just basically dropping with the wig. Another thing that I noticed with this wig is the hair does shed. I really didn't get too much tangling with it, but I did get a little bit more shedding than what I prefer. Also, the texture of this hair, even though it's a straight texture, the feel of the hair, I don't know. I could not put my finger on the feel of the hair. It was like really, really silky. So I prefer like yaki, or yeah, basically like a yaki type feel to the hair. Like a Peruvian texture type hair. But for this one, it was like really silky. So if you guys are interested, or if you like silky hair, then this wig will be perfect for you. So besides those issues with the shedding, the feel of the hair, as far as like the curls are not holding with the wig, I didn't get any type of smell or odor with this wig either. So yeah, but basically overall, would I recommend this wig? Yes and no. I would definitely recommend this wig if you guys are looking for a very natural hairline for a wig that is already pre-plucked. If you are looking for a wig that you really do not have to do too much to it as far as customizing it. But on the flip side, like I said, you will experience, or I experience, I'm not for sure if you will, but I highly recommend that Msbuy kind of just check on the texture of the hair, as far as the wig or the hair holding a curl. I would definitely recommend them going back in and kind of fixing those issues. If they can fix those issues that I already stated, this wig hands down would be a 10 out of 10, a perfect wig. So if you guys are interested in this wig, I will leave all of the information down below in the description section. Give you guys a direct link, as well as Msbuy.com's website and all their information. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram at @I am_Shay Amour, and I will see you guys in the next video.